Hey, welcome to Judge Dr. Chris Court. Star me, Judge Dr. Chris. Now, you know, I can't have too many bad trials because people doing what I want them to do. It's a beautiful thing, beautiful. Now, we have our Yankees fan here, you know. In case you don't know, the Yankees is my dad's team, not my team, my daughter's team.
They just
not my team.
Also.
Yeah, I know. They just won the division again. As a frustrated or long-suffering Oriole fan, 15 losing years, I'm here to examine this glove, and of course I'm going to be objective, as a good judge would be. Look at it. He's got color on here. He's got dark type. Unfortunately, he has that terrible logo up there, the Yankees, but he's got his group, the Red Pandas logo. It's cute. Great job on it. He's got the street signs there. He's original. Took my pictures. Took his pictures up here. Now you know what we want to see. We want to see. He's got his outline up here.
You want to see the blog?
I want to see some posters. I want to see some reflection.
This is because it was my first class.
That's not bad. That's what I'm talking about. That's not bad. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, because of James, after one day in class, stepping his game not just up, but way up, ladies and gentlemen, his group officially gets immunity from prosecution for today. This is some good stuff, which means if you didn't do what you were supposed to do today in this group, you get a pass if I notice it for the day of that second blog. You get a pass. It's a team effort.
Does that carry over?
No, not carry over.
Oh.
You gotta do something real good for some carryover immunity points. But we're gonna add the gaming feature so you can get carryover points.
Nice.
We got to vote on some stuff here, make it more interesting. But I'm very proud of what I see that the one day he's got what I'm talking about, and now that's edutainment and convergence, and that, my friend James, is what I'm talking about. Even if you are a Yankee fan, you just saw another edition of Judge Dr. Chris Court. Keep watching.